Here we go, folks. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. I'm out here in the mountains of Trinity County, and we got another one out of the Stevenson Collection. 1931 Chevrolet pickup truck. This thing is awesome. This is the same folks that owned the 53 that we just sent down to the central coast of California, and this is round two. This Chevrolet is a lifetime California pickup truck. It was purchased at a highway garage in McArthur, California. That was also like a Chevy dealership in the old days for all the ranchers who were out there. They're still around today, but they're just a mechanic shop. But back in the day, they were also your local Chevrolet dealer. The folks purchased it out in Burney, California in the 70s, and they ended up restoring it in the late 80s or early 90s as a gift for their parents. It's got a 6-cylinder engine. It's got nice wood in the back. Let's take a closer look inside. It is in excellent condition. It runs great. There's the highway garage hat. Look at that. Established in 1924, McArthur, California. That's some California automotive history right there. All the wood inside was redone in mahogany, so you don't have to worry about any of that. The 6-cylinder engine looks like it was just gone through. It is super clean. Now we'll figure out what the displacement is on it when we get home and do some research. But this thing is really cool. This is an historic pickup truck, turnkey, ready to roll, and it's in excellent shape. It's got beautiful paint. It's a nice shade of blue. It's got the old 31 license plates. So if you like these old, World War I pickups like I do, you should give me a call. My name's Michael Platt, and I own Platt Motors in Anderson, California. 707-599-9448. plattmotors@gmail.com. plattmotors.com. Please check out the still photos that I took. I took a bunch of them, and this one is ready for a new owner, straight out of the Stevenson Collection, Trinity County, California. This thing is a real beauty. So I appreciate you looking at my videos, and I look forward to talking to you soon. We text, we email, but we love to talk, especially about Chevrolet pickup trucks. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.